Hello guys, this is Hassan from HDFX and let's talk about UK100 index, okay? I'm doing this video for my friends in England, so I hope they enjoy it, but rest of you, if you wanna know what it is, I hope you like it as well. So, with this coronavirus situation, the market did some type of a triangle formation here that is broken lower, okay? Maybe this triangle starts like a little bit on this side, something like this. Okay, so this is the type of triangle that I'm talking about. Now, if this triangle is actually broken lower, it means that this triangle made an E wave here, because triangles are consist of E, like some type of D, C, B, and an A wave. Okay, so if this is a triangle, it's supposed to be our triangle. Let's do like this. Okay. If this is a triangle that we are talking about, maybe something like this. Okay. If this is a triangle that we are talking about, then it means that whatever this degree is actually ended 1 degree here. So, and let's make this degree one bigger. Now, as of now, do I have any idea what is this degree is? Well, from this count, no, I don't have. So what it means? It means that whatever I have on this one, it's going to be from the same degree. But I don't know if I can put it here, or maybe it's not even over yet, okay? Why? Well, because we have to find out first what kind of a move we are looking for, okay? So, what we need? Well, we need a wave A. Now, can I put this wave A here? Or actually, the first thing first is actually you should ask yourself, the move that is ended here and the move that is going down, does this move, the new move that is started, does it look impulsive or does it look corrective? If it's corrective move, you have to label it with letters. If it's impulsive move, you have to label it with numbers. Now, if this is numbers, let's think that this is an impulsive move that I'm sure many already labeled it such as this. Look, 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 4, and 5. Because why? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. True? Well, not so true. Why? Look at this length of first wave. Okay, I will put it here. And look at the length of third wave. Put it here too. And look at the length of fifth wave. Let's put it like this. And I will put it here. Now, there are two things wrong with this. The first thing that is wrong with it is third wave, which is the one on the middle, cannot be the shortest one. So in this arrangement, there is no impulsive move. And also, in an impulsive move, you need one wave that is extended. Okay, it's very important to have an extended wave. If you don't have an extended wave, it means that you have trouble. You cannot have an impulsive wave that doesn't have an extension. What does extension mean? Well, extension means something like this. You have a wave 1, you have a wave 2, you have a wave 3, then you have a wave 4, and you have a wave 5. Now, in an impulsive move, first wave, third wave, or the fifth wave can be extended. Okay? It doesn't just have to be third wave, but in this example, the third wave, because the third wave is the most common. Now, what you should do is you should take the first wave, or the fifth wave, the second largest wave. In this case, the first wave is the second largest wave, and you put it here, and you take Fibonacci tracement tool and take 161.8 out of it, okay, and put it where your second wave is. When you do that, you have to compare your third wave and what is supposed to be. Now, if it's bigger, no problem. If it's shorter, then it means that you don't have an extension. It means this is not an impulsive move. Now, if we want to go back and look at our example in this UK100 index, the place that we were talking about doesn't have an extension. Thus, You're not looking for an impulsive move. So whatever this is only a complex correction. Now, what I would do is I would put it something like this. We have a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. Now this pattern is called a zigzag pattern. Now, if you want to know already or learn more about it, you can watch my other videos and you can see that ABC is moved when this B wave doesn't go back all the way to 618. It means that it is a zigzag formation. And when you watch my other videos, I made an education video detailing what is zigzag, what is triangle, what is flat. So it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so I encourage you to go back and do it. Now we have an ABC and then we have an X wave. Okay, after this, it looks like we have another A and another B and then another C. It looks like then we have an X wave. And then we have a wave A. We have a wave, some type of maybe like a B here. Maybe a C wave. A D wave. Sorry. A D wave. Or an E wave. It looks like very, very ugly triangle to me. But hey, it's what it looks like. So maybe because of this move up, maybe it can be in a different formation, or maybe we are wrong about this triple combination, but it's just a double combination. That can happen too. But you get the idea. I don't like the fact that this B and D is like in different places, so I think maybe with a different triangle would be more suitable. Okay, but something like this doesn't change the overall picture. Okay, you cannot put the D wave. You can actually put the D wave here because why? B to D trend line has to be clean. Okay, but it doesn't. The any type of any part of C wave cannot touch it. It cannot break it. But any part of D wave can actually break it. So you can put the D wave here, but not up here too. Okay. So this triangle, as you can see, did started going up. Now what we needed from this triangle is this. Now because this is just a move that is started, it's going to be a wave A here on this degree. Okay. Now if you have a wave A here, what you need is to go 618. Why? Because if this is a start of a move, the most likely pattern that is going to form here will be a flat. So this is why I'm gonna measure from, look, not from the top, not from the bottom, from the where the wave has started and where the wave ends. This is how to use fib levels if you're dealing with Elliot waves. Now this 618 level is the key for us. And look where the market has come, 618. Now why? Because as a B wave it should come if it's a flat. Now does this mean this move, whatever it is that I have no idea at the moment, has done here? No, it's not. As you can see, we are still in a some type of continuation, some type of corrective wave that is like going up, 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 slowly up, up, up. Okay? Because look, this move is definitely not impulsive. But because this move is actually corrective, it helped me to understand this is going to be a corrective too. Because why? Because this move is corrective, we eliminated the possibility of this being a zigzag. Why? If it was an impulsive move, and a corrective move, and an impulsive move, then we could have think to ourselves, this is either 1, 2, 3, or it can be wave A of a zigzag, wave B of a zigzag, and a wave C of a zigzag. Then we would have made we would have wait for impulsive move. And also because this was corrective wave, we knew that 618 should have come, which it did already. Now, when this move will be done, the problem is this B wave of a flat, let me write it down for you. So in a flat, you have a wave A that is a corrective move. You have a wave B that is a corrective move as well. And you have a wave C that is impulsive. So look, now we are in a corrective B wave. In which degree? In green. So whatever we are going to label it here, it has to be on green. Okay? Now, these greens will finish this wave B, and after this we will start a wave C. On the flat, now 618 has to come, but also it can go even higher. Okay, so you have to try to understand what's going on here in order to understand how to trade this a little bit more. Okay, so what does this look like to me? It looks like we started with a zigzag with an A wave here. Okay, this is what it looks like. And if we have a B wave somewhere around here, like a triangle, it means that we are most likely in a C wave. Now, the C wave of a zigzag is a impulsive move. So look, now that we are trying this, we should write it like this. So zigzag. In a zigzag, we have a wave A that is impulsive, wave B that is corrective, and a wave C which is impulsive as well. Now, but in a zigzag, the impulsive move on the C wave can actually be a terminal move. When you say a terminal impulsive move, it means that you still have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it is all of the waves are actually corrective rather than being impulsive. So if I want to go even one lower degree, we maybe, just maybe, for looking for something like this. So maybe we have a wave A here, or maybe we have a wave one, not A, I'm sorry. Maybe a wave one here or here. Maybe we have a second wave. Maybe we have a third wave. And maybe we have a fourth wave. Now, when you want to do this, this usually does look like this usually looks like a wedge pattern. Okay, so if this is the case, and we will have a fifth wave somewhere around here, okay, then you should ask yourself this: which wave is the largest? Now, in a terminal move, there is no need for one wave to be extended. Okay, one wave still has to be bigger, but there is no 618 rule. Okay, 1618 rule. Also, third wave still cannot be the shortest. So in this case, the first wave is already a third wave already bigger than the first wave. So whenever you have a first wave that is bigger than the third wave, you will have a more wedge type of pattern. Okay, so if you will have something like a fifth wave here with some kind of failure, and C wave ended here, and thus the B wave, actually we wouldn't know if it's the case, but still, after if the C wave is over here, then we should think something like this. Okay, then how much time did it take for this C wave to form? Let's say as an example, it finished here. Then what I would do is I would take Fibonacci time zone from here to the end and take 50% out of it and put it on the right side here. It means that the price action after here, the fifth wave is done, has to go back all the way to the B wave during this time. Okay. Now this is why in Elliot wave, the theory, the method that I'm using, you can put time and price together. Time and price, when you can use time and price together, I think this is pretty good deal. Okay. Now look, let's say the fifth wave is not done here, but we are only not the third wave here, but we are only the first wave here, and we will do 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, then this time will take on the right side. It will take more time to go back. But whenever this situation will be done, it has to come back here. On this scenario, it says exactly like this. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you so much and see you on the next one.